Irony here. Welcome to Krazee Adventures. Today we'll be heading out to Mount Sugarloaf State Reservation and lunch at Santo Taco. Join us to see where the road leads us. The park is a state-owned public recreation area managed by the Massachusetts DCR. The entrance to the Summit Road is located on Route 116 and at 300 Sugarloaf Street, South Deerfield, Mass. The Summit Road is open mid-May through mid-October. Hours are 9 a.m. to sunset. There is a daily parking fee at the summit, payable at the kiosk. Mass residents is $5 and non-residents are $20.
Leave behind the city lights, avoid the traffic in the highways, rather take the scenic byways out to the world. Let's drive all night, but the radio won't have the time of your life. Take the road, let's travel to speed on by till the home that we knew, side to side.
Park rules and restrictions are posted clearly at the summit. The park includes the summits of North Sugarloaf Mountain and South Sugarloaf Mountain, as well as 1.75 miles of frontage on the Connecticut River and 2 river islands. Breathtaking views include the Connecticut River Valley, the Pioneer Valley, the Pelham and Berkshire Hills. You can see the church steeple of Sunderland, the fire tower of Mount Toby. South is the view of the entire Holyoke Range with UMass and the library tower in front of the range. The name Sugarloaf refers to the loaf-like shape that sugar was once molded into for shipment. The original Native American name for the mountain is Wequamps. According to Native American myth, Sugarloaf Mountain is the carcass of a human-eating giant beaver who lived in a lake now occupied by the Connecticut River. The people complained to the god Hobomok that the beaver was greedy and consuming all their resources. In response, Hobomok decided to kill the beaver with a club he fashioned from a large tree. After the struggle, the beaver died, sank to the bottom of the lake, turned to stone, and became what is now Sugarloaf Mountain. We then took a scenic drive along River Road, which follows the Connecticut River through beautiful farmlands on our way to lunch at Santo Taco in Turner's Falls. Santo Taco is a food trailer offering authentic Mexican street food located next to the skate park in Unity Park. In researching Unity Park, we found that it offers a playground, sand volleyball court, a basketball court, a picnic area, ball fields, community garden, and the skate park. We had a cheese quesadilla, a chorizo taco, 2 tinga beef tacos, which we split, and a Samara ginger lemon organic sparkling beverage, which is made in Wendell, Mass. Delicious food in a relaxing outdoor venue. It's always awesome to support small businesses. Let us know where you think we should explore next. Be sure to check the video description for the addresses of our stops today so you can plan a future adventure yourself. Can't wait to see where the road takes us next.